QuickBooks Error 6147. For quick solutions. Solution 1. Run QuickBooks File Doctor. Step 1. Close QuickBooks and open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2. If you don't have it, download and install it from the official website. Step 3. In the Tool Hub, select Company File Issues. Step 4. Then select Quick Fix My File, and it'll take some time to fix the issue. Step 5. Click OK once the issues have been resolved. Solution 2. Rename network files. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and open File Explorer. Step 2. Open the folder where the company file is stored. Step 3. Find the files with the same name as your company files but with .nd and .tlg files. Step 4. Right-click on each file and select Rename, then add Old at the end of each file. Step 5. Open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 3. End all QuickBooks processes. Step 1. Log into your system as an admin. Step 2. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys together to open Task Manager. Step 3. In the Processes tab, locate QuickBooks Processes. Step 4. Right-click on QuickBooks Processes and select End Task. Solution 4. Rename.ADR file. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and open File Explorer. Step 2. Open the folder where the company file is stored. Step 3. Locate the file with the .ADR extension. Step 4. Right-click on the file and select Rename, then rename the file to .qbw. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.